How healthy you are or not really all depends on how many stem cells you have in your bloodstream. Hi, I am Christian Drapeau. I'm a stem cell scientist, and I help people live longer, better lives. Here's what I mean by this. So, stem cell research has shown something that is absolutely fundamental to understand human health, is that every single tissue and organ of the body is going constantly to a process of turnover. You lose cells every day, and to stay healthy, you need to replace the cells that are being lost. And that is the role of your stem cells. So how many stem cells you have in your bloodstream is absolutely defining how well you can maintain your tissues as you age. The problem is that the number of stem cells in your bone marrow shrink as you age. Past 30 years old, you're left with maybe less than 10% of what you're born with. There's a point in your 40s where you don't have enough stem cells in circulation to fully offset this day-to-day cellular loss. And that's when you slowly start to develop the problem that will show up in 5, 10, 14, 15 years down the road. So if you can put more stem cells in circulation, your body will be able to better repair today, but better able to keep its health as you age. So